Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Love Nails Nicole. Whoa. Oh. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, but while I'm fixing it, let me talk. Okay, y'all see my nails? I know, look terrible, right? Well, I was sitting here. I don't know what's wrong with the light, y'all, so sorry. I was sitting here trying to peel, and I know that's bad, I shouldn't have been doing that, but I was peeling the glitter off of my nails because I am about to film a giveaway video, and I didn't want to come on with my nails all chipped, because you know how like they'll start chipping and you'll peel at them. I'm sitting in the drive-thru peeling at them and telling myself to stop, but I keep doing it. So I wanted to take them off, so I was sitting here peeling them off, trying to do it quick, and I shouldn't be, because you can see, I can get this to focus. See how bad that looks as I peeled it off. So I said, girl, stop. Okay, I'm moving, number one. So that's why I'm doing this giveaway, because I have to get rid of this stuff. I cannot pack everything and take everything with me, because I have like so much stuff. So I wanted to do my giveaway. And I found these while I was cleaning, and I thought maybe they were old. So girl, I opened one up and sniffed it and almost killed myself and passed out. It was so strong. Like, I put it up to my nose like this, y'all. Okay? And was like, oh God. I didn't think it was gonna smell anymore. I thought it was gonna be old, because I've had it a really long time. And when I bought this, I might have used it like maybe twice, and I can't remember how well it worked, if it worked or not. So I said, you know what? Let's give this one a try. This one is the Acetone Power Gel No Rub. It removes glitter and nail art, nail polish. It says no rubbing. This one is just a regular acetone no rub for stubborn dark polish. So it says no rub, so I want to go ahead and put it on the rest of the glitter that's left on my terrible looking nails. Please excuse y'all. Moving is crazy, okay? I've been picking up stuff, packing stuff, taping boxes, cutting stuff. Just, my nails are toe up. Like, I wanted to acrylic them, but I'm like, there's no purpose in doing that right now, because all I'm going to do is just break them. I'm trying to open this with one hand. I don't think that I can. Hold on. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can see it's still moving and looks like it's still good to go. But like I said, when I sniffed it, I went like up my nose, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. That was like the most silliest thing, because I can smell it from here actually right now. Holy smokes. I sniffed this one though, but I knew better the next time. I just looked at this one, but I can smell it from where I'm sitting, so it's strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my nail and let it sit, and I want to see if it works. I got this from Walmart for like $2, maybe $3 or something like that a while ago. So yeah, let's see if this stuff still works. So I'm gonna go ahead and record me putting it on. Okay, I'm trying to think how to put this on my nail. Let me grab a Q-tip. I had to put my Q-tips and cotton balls inside of a little baggie and get them out of the like case in the glass thing I had it in, so I could pack it. All right, let's see. Yeah, looks like freaking I don't even know, slime, slushy. Okay, I can get it to come out. I don't know what to do. What's the directions? Oh, dip to fully coat nail.
Remove nail from jar. Dip nails one at a time. To remove glitter and nail art, let no rub sit on nail for 4 minutes. Do not rub. Press paper towel over nail. Just wipe off.
Oh, okay, so I'm going to wipe this off. I'll use this in case I end up needing to rub. And I'm going to go ahead and just dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. Okay, one at a time. I don't want it on the back of my finger, though. Ew. This feels so gross. Wait, that one doesn't have nothing. Okay, thumb. And it's cold. I know I'm just like trying to place it on there a little better, pat it down or something. It's just like sitting there. Ew. I'm just patting, I'm not rubbing, because I want to see if this stuff works. Not rubbing it. Ugh. Okay, so got it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit 4 minutes, and then I will come back and try to wipe it off and see what happens. Okay, y'all, it's been 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. It said 4 minutes. So this is what it looks like now. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I'm gonna touch it. So it turned into like a thick snot. Like, my hands are really sticky. This is not something that I would want to do every time to remove, because it just makes your hands gross. And I don't like the messiness of it. But I don't think this stuff is going to come off. But I got the paper towel here. It says press paper towel over nail and just wipe off. So let's see. I'll do the thumb first. Press, wipe. Oh, it came off, but look how messy it is. It's like the towel's sticking to me because the back of my hands had, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, press, wipe. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's coming off, but it wants to stick on the back of my freaking fingers. Oh my gosh, this is messy. This is so messy. Okay. I forgot I did that. It was a little bit left on that pinky though. Okay. Jesus. Ah. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. And this one like dried up, so nothing's happening. Let me see something. Okay. Let's see if I can get it off without letting it sit the 4 minutes. No. It's still there. It's coming off a tiny bit, but not like the others. That one dried up completely and it was just no. Look at this. Look at that. So, yeah, this is what you get from using some gel polish remover. So, yeah, I see why I never used it again, because now my memory is coming back to me, and I think the last time I tried this, and I probably tried it on my channel, it's probably 2-3 years down the videos. And I feel like this happened the last time. I'm gonna see if I can find the video if I did test this out. I'll try to link it below or something, or in the description box if I find it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, yeah. Okay, well, here's the nails from the removal. So it did come off. There's still like some on there, but you know, it has to, I feel so crazy talking with this stuck to me, but it still has some specks of glitter on it. So I'm gonna first get a wipe to get this off of my fingers, and then I'm gonna go use a ton of soap and a nail brush and go scrub my nails clean. And then when I get back, I will show you guys what I have set for this giveaway. You guys can already see some of the things in the background there, but I will explain how it's gonna go and what you need to do to enter. So I will be back in a second. Let me get cleaned up. Ew. Look, it's still not coming off. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna have to scrub for an hour. Oh, okay guys, be right back. Okay y'all, so I had I went ahead and went and washed my hands. I had to use my 60-second Bath and Body Works hand scrub to get that stuff off me, y'all, because it was not coming off, and I don't have no cuticle oil on, and it just was not working out well for me when it was time to take this stuff off. It was terrible. Putting on some cuticle oil, y'all. Hold on. So I scrubbed with the Bath and Body Works scrub for the 60 seconds, really good, and that helped get all of the stickiness and gook off me. It was just, the paper towel was stuck to me, there was glitter still stuck to me, like it was just a hot mess. It was a really hot mess. Oh child, so I had to do something to my nails after that. I couldn't just leave them plain because I felt like I had just tortured them with that that stupid glitter gel remover. So I went ahead and polished them with my gel polish. I used the Magic Armor one-step gel so I could just do something real quick. I didn't have to worry about putting on a base coat, letting it cure, polish, cure, and then top coat, cure, you know. I just wanted to do something real quick and simple so I can get back to the video that I actually almost forgot to do. So yeah, this stuff was okay y'all, so what I want to do, like I said, I have to move, so I have to get rid of some of this stuff, and I had a lot of stuff put away for the giveaway. This is just some of the things that I came across while you know, getting packed up. So what I want to do is pick 2 winners. I don't really have it mapped out. This is spurt, like I'm just coming on here like I want to do a giveaway. I haven't thought about any type of rule, so I think the only thing I'm going to do is just, you have to be a subscriber, so make sure that you are subscribed. And if you want to enter the contest, comment below, you know, enter me, and that'll be basically it. You just need to enter. I would say like the video so you guys will remember about the giveaway and when to check back when it ends, and make sure your notifications are on, so when I post the giveaway video of the winners, you guys will be notified of that. But that's about it. Just be a subscriber and you can enter. And I'm going to pick 2 people. I think in my state, I cannot mail more than, I believe, 2 nail polishes. So this is just some of the stuff that I want to give. So it's going to be, I'm just going to eeny, meeny, miny, moe it, and whoever gets what of what. But this will be part of the prizes for now. I do have more. I just haven't came across it yet. I definitely have more polish. Like, I have some in here if I can open it. But like I said, I can only send 2. Like, these are some of the ones. Why is this stuck? Okay. That I also want to give away. So I may pick out one of those. Like I said, I can only do 2. So, yeah. I have this. And a file. Another file. This will be part of it. I don't know if I'm going to open it. Maybe I'll open it and split it between the 2. I'm definitely putting this in one of the kits. I'm wondering if I should split this up as well. I probably will just give this as one as is. I definitely want to give the electronic nail kit. I was going to do this as a giveaway on its own and these. But I'm just, like I said, whoever is the 2 winners that I pick will get something out of this collection, and this is part as well. A 5-count Sassy Plus Chic soak off nail caps, so that will be part of it. I also have some nail wraps, and I have some more, but like I said, if I come across it, I'm just gonna like throw things in y'all thing to give you guys. I do want to include some of my, let's see, I have one right here. I want to include some of my swatch cards where you can swatch colors, or my little ball from my phone keeps floating in front of the camera. You can practice nail art on them. You can make your own nail decals and peel them off of here and stick them to your nails. It's a bunch you can do. You know, I have mats as well. I just don't have, I do have some made right now, but I don't have them out. So I might send a mat, or I might just send swatch cards. I'm not sure. But you guys will definitely get a nice little prize. So if you are interested in getting any of these things, like I say, I'm not sure how many of the polishes I can send. I'm going to try to put in 3, but I'm not sure. I'm definitely going to add some of these Kiss acrylic powders. I have 3 of these. I don't use them, so I figure I'm going to give them to you guys if you guys would like to have one of these. It does have some nail polish remover in it. I'm going to pour that out. And of course, yes, it's previously owned, but I have to get rid of this stuff. So if you would like that too, you'll get that. And I did want to split this up. Like I said, I'll figure out how many polishes I have with what. I might have to put this in another giveaway once I figure out what polishes I'm going to give with what. So this is just basically what's going to be in the giveaway for now. The first giveaway. I'm going to try to do another one before I'm completely moved out. If I can keep the stuff to the side and it's not in the way, I'll try to do another one before I move. But I want to for sure get this stuff out of the way now. So all the rules will be in the description box, and also read the description box to see how long the giveaway is going to last, like when I'm going to pick the winner. It's probably going to be a little short and sweet. It's not going to be too long of a wait before we pick the winner. So you guys make sure you hurry up and enter. Okay, you guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see how many of you guys enter the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed, because I do check that. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.